Meghalaya's trade mission to Dubai, connecting farmers to global market and expanding agri-trade horizons. State delegations showcases organic produce in UAE, expanding agri-export opportunities. In a major step towards expanding international market access for Meghalaya's agricultural produce, a delegation of government officials and farmers producer organization FPOS on a market exposure visit to Dubai from 16th to 18th March 2025, led by the Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board MSAMB. The delegation is participating in promotional events on 17th March in Sharjah and 18th March in Dubai. These events will showcase Meghalaya's premium organic and GI tag products including turmeric, ginger, and strawberries under Meghalaya's collective brand.
Myself, I'm Badriti Milliam Long. I'm the Director of Horticulture, Government of Meghalaya, under the Department of Agriculture. So he's my friend, Salma. She's also the Assistant Director of Horticulture. Don't say, I love Dubai. I'm longing to see Dubai, and now I'm here. Dubai is a very, very interesting place, especially when I learned that it's zero crime.
Absolutely. We really appreciate their visit, and we really appreciate the support and all of that. I like the shots. They're a bit of a challenge for a lot of people, but they really get your body going itself. Yes.
So ginger
Shot, beetroot shot, and from especially Meghalaya, we've had lots of dessert with strawberry, and we actually going to be trying more strawberry later on. It's absolutely delicious. So that is, you can taste the actual strawberry organic itself. Yes.
Thank you.